For this project, I'm partnering with Maritime Fence's expert wood department to create a custom horizontal privacy fence. In order to get the straight, angular look I'm going for, we have to dig through the asphalt at the bottom of my driveway. This has become a full-day ordeal. At the end of the day, the posts are installed and set for the night in concrete. It's day 2 of the fence build. Maritime Fence is back again to get the wood slats up on my horizontal privacy fence that is being installed at the bottom of my driveway. It's going to have a really modern look and a little bit of a design element because we're alternating 6-inch boards with 4-inch deck boards. So it's going to look great. It's going to blend beautifully and seamlessly in with my back deck, and it's going to bring this whole backyard together. The style of privacy fence becoming popular?
Yeah, the horizontal is actually something that's becoming up and coming design that a lot of people are doing. And I find that if you use decking instead of the fence board, it actually is, it holds its structural integrity a little bit longer than a fence board.
Well, that's cool. How long have you been working for Maritime Fence?
A year.
A year? But you've been building stuff?
10 years.
Wow, 10 years?
Yeah.
What, since you were 12?
Yeah.
So Mike just grabbed me for a second so we can take a look at it and decide what we want to do for spacing. Yeah, and I like the smaller gap better because I think it'll just add a touch more mystery. The privacy fence is built. The wood is up and it looks great. And the pattern that they did for the wood is really beautiful, and the gate and the hardware, everything turned out just like I wanted.